Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing this makeup look right here. It is so cute, I think. I mean, like, at first, like, to be honest, I'm going to be honest. I'm going to be real right now. I did not want to sit in this chair today and upload, but, like, here I am. Here I am. I really didn't want to do makeup today, but I really like how this turned out, to be honest. It's really cute, I think, and I just like it, so hey, like, I know that there's new people that have subscribed, so hey, how you doing? And also, if you're like new, like this is your first video, hi, I'm Paige. I'm 16 and I just love doing makeup, and that's basically what my channel is about. Like, yeah. And yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this simple and easy makeup look, then just keep on watching. I'm gonna look crazy during this, so if you guys don't mind. But we're gonna do the brows first because, I mean, look at me, the brows need a little bit of help. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit though, because, like, girl, there we go. That's a lot better. Let me move this. This candle, guys, is so good. This is the Bath and Body Works candle, hot cocoa and cream. It's so good. Literally, it smells delicious. Like, it smells exactly like hot chocolate. Like, it kind of amazes me how much it does smell like hot chocolate. Like, it makes me want to have hot chocolate right now, which is a bad thing. So yeah. But I'm just gonna be taking this elf brow pencil in neutral brown, and I'm just gonna, like, just fill them in just a little bit. Just do, like, a little, like, flicks. I'm not gonna really do much to them because I just don't even feel like doing my makeup right now, because it is 1. Yeah, so it's pretty late to do my makeup, but I mean, I have to record. I have to keep up the grind, you know? I don't really want to do much to them because I really do not want to spend a lot of time doing my makeup today. Because it is 1 o'clock, so in the afternoon, so I don't really want to really do, like, the most because I don't need to. So that's the thing. So I'm just going to take my concealer brush and just conceal them, just really quickly. Now I'm going to be using these 2 liners right here. The first one I'm going to be taking, I'm going to take this one more near the, like, lashes, because the one that I will be using for, like, the wing part is very, very, very hard to get off. So, especially near the lashes. So, because it is waterproof. But this one is the Maybelline New York Line Stiletto Ultimate Precisions Liquid Eyeliner in Blackest Black, and I'm just gonna put that one near the lashes, and then I'm gonna be taking for the wing part this Wet n Wild H2O Proof eyeliner in black. I like how I say I didn't want to go too far today, and I went too far. That's how my life goes, everyone. Now, I want to go in with these right here. Let me get the other one. These are the Ardell Wispies. I haven't wore them in a hot minute, so I might as well just put them on, right? And then I'm going to do my full face off camera real quick. And then we'll just do the bottom lash line. I'm not going to do really much to my face. I'm going to do really light coverage with, like, really light everything. Not really much highlighter, blush, like maybe bronzer, no contour kind of look. I'm not really going to do a lot. So don't expect anything, like, you know? So yeah, I'm going to do all that and I'll be right back with you guys. Now I'm going to be using this Jordana Easy Liner for Eyes in Tantalizing Teal. I'm just going to put that in my waterline. I'm going to be taking this Butter Bronzer by Precision's Formula. I decided, I feel like, I don't know, every time when I try to do a wing, like just a wing without shadow, I just don't ever like it, and I think it's because there's just no color on the eye. So I'm going to put this on my, like in my crease a little bit and on my bottom lash line. Just a tiny little bit. I don't want it to seem like I have like shadow on, but I do want some color in those areas, because I feel like it's just like white and then like bronzer is just, I don't like that look. I just don't. And then the color of this is light bronzer. So yeah, I'm just gonna take just a small fluffy brush, take that bronzer, and just put a little bit in my crease. And then my inner corner and brow highlight, I am going to go in with this Pixie by Petra little beauty blush duo in Peach Honey. And I'm going to put that on my inner corner of the eye and also the brow bone, just to highlight, you know. And this is the same highlight that I'm actually wearing today on my face. Now I'm just going to be taking this L'Oreal Volume Mascara in Cobalt Blue, and I am just going to put that on my bottom lashes because, like, why the heck not? I mean, we did do blue liner, so... Alrighty guys, so I actually put this in on my waterline also. This is the Ulta Beauty Eye Duo, and it comes with like a shadow part end thing, and then it comes with a liner. So I took this liner right here. What's the shade? It's not telling me like the color, like what the crayon is called, but it's just comes with a white shadow pencil and a blue eyeliner, and it matches the mascara a lot more. The mascara, I didn't think it was that, you know, and the teal was just not working with it, so I just put that blue liner in, and then now I am going to do my lippy. So yeah, I don't know if I want to, should I go in with a red? Like, I feel like I should. I'm doing it. So I'm going to be taking this Ulta Automatic lip liner in Raspberry. I'm going to line my lips with this, and then I'm going to go on top with this Fenty Beauty little lipstick in Uncensored. But yeah, I really like how this turned out. Oh my god, like, am I American flag? Like, what am I? I feel like I need to add yellow. I kind of knew I wanted to mess with like red, yellow, or blue, like one of these colors, since I am wearing like a NASCAR little sweater here. And I got it at Target and it was on clearance for $5. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get it. So... And if you're new, hit that subscribe button. I know that there's new people around here, so hey, how you doing? But yeah, so if you guys like this look, I hope you new people like this look, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up. Also comment down below what you guys want to see for the next video. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!